This is Bamboo, Philostachys viridiglossescens. Bamboo, not native of this country, has a real place in the forest garden and no doubt in the woodland, because woodland provides the ideal growing conditions for bamboo. This clump is approximately 20 years old. It started off life as 6 shoots 20 years ago, and you can see it's expanded quite a bit. I've got plenty of room here, so that's not a problem for me. Every couple of years I distribute wood ash at the base to give them a boost, and yeah, it does result in different thicknesses. If it's interestingly, you see that some of the canes are quite thin and others are quite fat, and some are in between. But it is important just every now and again to give it a bit of a boost to ensure that you get sufficient large canes. Amazing thing about bamboo is that in its first year it will grow as thick and as tall as it would ever grow, and then it stops growing and produces lots of side shoots. So what uses does bamboo have? Well, the main use is construction or use for garden frames. I use it primarily for covering my fruit crops. If you want to use it, you have to mark it each year, and then you'll know how old the bamboo is. Now here we have a marking system, and the markings here indicate that this particular cane is 4 years old. Always mark the cane at eye height, otherwise you'd be forever searching for where you're marking them. When you cut the cane, it has to be 3 years old, and also that's not the end of it. You have to wait another 6 months for the cane to dry out so that you can use it for whatever purpose you've got in mind. I've selected a nice 3-year-old cane here to cut to demonstrate how the process goes, and it is important that you always cut below a node. Right, so let's get on and do that. Now all we've got to do is bring it out of the clump. Now we don't really want the end bit because that's not any good for stability, so we'll take that off. And there we are. One very useful bamboo. We've now moved to another bamboo clump that I have in the forest garden. This is Philostachys aurea, or the golden bamboo, which is also a bamboo that is edible. You'll see that it's called the golden bamboo for a very good reason. It has a colour of gold and it has stripes of green, which makes it a very attractive bamboo. Okay, the correct time to cut these is when they're no more than 6 inches tall out of the ground, and you cut them below the ground like so. I'm peeling off some of the outer leaves so you can see the basic structure. Take the top off. So there you have your bamboo shoot. And cut it sideways like that. You will then see the edible part, which is from, there we are, made its own mind up. That is the edible part of the bamboo. And I will actually give it a try. That's good. It tastes like a pea shoot. Very tasty. Now, for nutrition, this bamboo shoot has apart from vitamin C and amino acids, also has iron. So it's a very good, very nutritious food. So there you can see how useful bamboo can be, not only in a forest garden, but also in a woodland, or even in your own back garden, if you can get a clump that behaves itself and you can manage it. Here you have a crop that you can take in May and June, which is so it's early and it is nutritional. It has its own important place in the variety of food and useful products you can make out of it in the forest garden.